20 must-have CapCut sound effects for your next viral video. So if you want to know the 20 sound effects for your next viral video, then here are some sound effects. You need to simply go with the audio section on the upper left, and here you will have all of the sound effects which are copyright free. So the first one is sorry, failure, dismay, and you just need to simply go with the download option. Once you've downloaded, you can go with plus and it will be added to your track. And the second one is explosion, which is right here, and the third one is victory, which is right here, official sound studio, and the fourth one is beep, which is short, and the fifth one is yay. You can simply go and download or you can add to your favorites. And the next one is realistic sound effects for typing, and the next one is typing on keyboard, and the other one is money payment sound, and the next is this one, and the next is the ding sound, and the next one is typing on your keyboard, the fast one, and the other one is whoosh with echo and rapid swish, or you can also search for swish if you don't find the rapid swish, which is right here. And the next one is mouse click, and the next is score display, and then the other one is ping, and after that we have the cheek pop. So these were the few must-have CapCut sound effects for your next viral video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.